Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship from Alibaba to Etsy. So as you can see over here on my first tab, I have my Alibaba account. So just have to open any of your web browser and then just type out Alibaba and you have to log in to your account. Okay, and then on the other tab, I also have my Etsy account. So just have to do the same, just have to use the search bar and then type out Etsy, and then you have to log in to your Etsy store. Okay, and then on the other tab as well, we also have the Auto DS because we are going to use this later on to drop ship the products from Alibaba to our Etsy store. Okay, so right here, going back to the Alibaba, what we are going to do next is to simply look for the product that we are going to drop ship. Okay, so you just have to scroll down, and once you found your product, all you have to do is to simply click on it. Okay, so maybe I am going to drop ship this one over here, or I can also click on this one. So we have here the products, manufacturers, and supplier. So you just have to stick to the products category. Okay, so for example, this phone case. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the details of this product. Of course, including the name or the title of this product, as well as the prices of this product. So we have this. We also have the variations, the payment method, and as well as the key attributes of this product. Okay, so since we don't want to waste our time to drop ship this product manually because we have to include all of these important details. So what we're going to do is to simply use the Auto DS. Okay, so the purpose of the Auto DS is it will be the one who will help us to drop ship all of the details of this product. Okay, so we can get the details of this product by copying the link first. Okay, so of course before that we have to sign up for an AutoDS account. Okay, so let's go back to AutoDS. So right here we can type out using our search bar AutoDS and you'd be able to see this online tool. So right here just have to click on logged in with Google account, or you can also continue with your email and password. After selecting your email, next thing that you should do is you have to select where you want to sell. So of course you have to select Etsy and then just click on continue. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this different pricing. So you just have to find the right package for you. So we have import 200, we have the starter 500, and then the advanced 1K. Okay, so as a just for starter, we are going to select the starter 500. Okay, so we have this features included in this pricing. Okay, so we also have this if you would like to pay for monthly, but if you go with annually, then we have 25% off. Okay, so you just have to read the features that are included with the plan that you're planning to subscribe to. Okay, so don't worry because every plan has a 1 month free trial for only $0.99. So you can cancel this one anytime. So I'm going to select the starter and then you have to select your payment method. Okay, so we have PayPal or Payoneer. You can also type right here your card details if you want to pay using your card. Okay, so after that, you will then just have to click on continue and you'd be redirected to your AutoDS dashboard. Okay, so once you're here, of course, we have to add our store. So to add your store, just simply click on the add store option at the top left of your screen. And then right here, just click on this add store option at the bottom left of this page. And then you have to select Etsy store. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to click on continue. Okay, and then right here, an application would like to connect to your account. So you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see this grant access option. So just click on the grant access. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and then just make sure that your store is added in AutoDS. Okay, and then once your store is added, Next thing that we should do is to add products. Okay, so before adding the products from Alibaba, we also have products right here from AutoDS. But since the focus of this video is importing or drop shipping products from Alibaba, then we have to go back to our Alibaba tab. Okay, so here is the product that we want to import. Next thing that we should do is to simply copy the link of this product. So we just have to simply click on this share icon at the top of the screen and then click on copy link and then go back here in AutoDS. Now let's go and click on add product and then select this single product only. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here we have to paste the product link. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here now the supplier source is Alibaba. After that, you just have to simply click on edit now or publish to your store directly. So of course, I suggest we have to click on the edit now. Okay, so let's add our product once again and then paste here the link. Okay, and then you don't have to change the supplier source because once you paste the link, it will automatically change. Okay, so now just simply click on edit now option, and as you can see here on the drafts section, your product will be uploaded. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds until your product is fully uploaded. Okay, so right here we have the name of the product, we have the price of the product, and then of course you have to make sure that this three monitoring options are enabled. So just toggle the switch on for stack monitoring, price monitoring, and auto order. Okay, so next thing that you should do is I suggest you have to generate your product title using AI because it will help you to make the product title looks professional. Okay, so you can also generate the description as well as the title plus description. So after this one, you just have to simply click on save or just simply click on this X icon at the top right. Then after that, of course, we have to save and import this product. Okay, so just simply click on save and import, then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here as you can see, the Stack Suite Cool Fashion Dark phone case has been updated. So once you read these notifications, it means that this product has been successfully uploaded to your Etsy store. Okay, so you just have to make sure that here in AutoDS, you have to add the correct store in order for you to upload the product to your Etsy store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.